5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Get ready to dive into the best local music from around the world only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Hey, this is Jay from 99.3 The X, and you're checking out Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Welcome to Local Howl, the best local music show in the Tri-Cities. And now, here is your hosts, Perry and Glenda Hensley.
Who plays the best in local music in the Tri-Cities? The one and only Tri-City Local Music Radio.
The Shallow Point.
We would like to take a moment to thank each of you that have listened to Tri-City Local Music, and we would love to hear your feedback at Spreaker.com.
Triumphs under fire.
Change your words to what you are. A self-deterring pestilence is what you've become. And just hide away after your death a knife and leave me to rot when you bleed me dry. I won't take any more. Walk through that door. I'm not your puppet anymore. I finally had enough. I've been twisting and turning this feeling that's burning deep inside my lungs. I finally had enough. I've been twisted and being left here bleeding. I finally had enough. I finally had enough. Just lie to me to ease your pain and show yourself sympathy, 'cause you won't get it from me. And I don't care if you're hurting inside. To be honest, I could bleed you dry. I won't take any more. Walk through that door. I'm not your puppet anymore. I finally had enough. I've been twisting and turning this feeling that's burning deep inside my lungs. I finally had enough. I've been twisted and being left here bleeding. I finally had enough. I finally had enough. I finally had enough. I've been twisting and turning this feeling that's burning deep inside my lungs. I finally had enough. I've been twisted and being left here bleeding. And I finally had enough. I finally had enough. I finally had enough. I've been twisting and turning this feeling that's burning deep inside my lungs. I finally had enough. I've been twisted and being left here bleeding. I finally had enough. I finally had
Saturday, December 19th, the Casbah welcomes Guerrilla Warfare. Echoes of Torment. And featuring Terror Brigade 423. This is an 18 plus show. Admission is only $10. Brought to you in part by Tri-City Local Music. Here's Absalon.
thunder. Give me roaring crowds. Give me pyrotechnics. Let me play loud. I'm the god of better. I possess the stage. You're my congregation. Young hearts filled with rage. Let the music fill your soul. Give it up for rock and roll. Let me hypnotize your mind.